Well, hey there, my scrappy friends. Thanks for joining me today on my channel, Ink and Whimsy, where I get creative with color and ink to tell my ordinary story. I'm Laura Daniels, and I'm glad you're here. Today, I'm doing a one-page scrapbook layout using the beautiful, fun storybook collection from Close to My Heart. And this is the cute little button that I am going to be scrapbooking about. You can see that she is enjoying her s'mores. I want to show you a little bit of the kit. I've picked out a few of the Project Life cards. Here are some zip strips. Look at this gorgeous sticker sheet. I'm a fan of that dragon. And I am going to be showing a piece that I've colored, and then I'll have a separate color with me video. And then here are the pages. These are the colors I'm going to be using because they're the only ones I thought like this matches the shirt. We have some yellow in it, in her shirt. So I think I can make it work. The green, you know, sometimes you're just going to pull it all together and see what happens. This right here is the actual kit in the catalog, and this is the January-March 2023 Close to My Heart catalog. They have a new catalog out, so if any of this is still available, I'll be sure to let you know. But I am using the actual, this stamp set right here, and the Storybook Collection Workshop. So it comes with the stickers, these really neat ephemera here. You have some specialty sheets, and I'm just pulling my idea from one of these right here. And if you're interested in seeing how it all comes together, then be sure to go grab your favorite cup of coffee and stick around. Let's have some fun together. All right, my friends, I'm glad you decided to stick around and be a part of this scrapbooking with me. I'm excited. This one has taken a bit of a thought process for me, but since I wanted to bring out, her name is Izzy, she's my niece, I wanted to bring out the mauve and the yellow. She just looks so happy eating that s'mores. So I had two colors I was really working with, which was the yellow and the mauve, and then black to kind of break things up. So I've decided to put this right here. Let's make sure this is even. There we go. All right, put this here. And I cut, this is actually a strip that I was going to put there. So let me tape these down before I go any further. Make sure things are facing the right side. Okay, here we go. Right there on the edge. That's still not quite even. I forgot to glue dot it down. Oh my goodness, it's all the little things. Okay, I like how this works to bring in the black and white on the other side. I'm going to have to dot that down, or this is just going to be an issue. So let me do that. Let me grab these. I'm like at the end of this, but this will save us both a lot of frustration, and you won't have me keep messing with this. There we go. Life is easy. Okay, so I wanted to put, I have these two pieces, and I was thinking something like this, and I want to put the main photo on this side, so I need to make sure I have room. All right, and I got to glue this down. All right, so let's do this first because this is crooked. All right, let's do this. I love how I did a, what do you call this, a triple border? All right, I want that right there. And then I'm gonna stick this down. This is such a fun set. All right. So the story about these photos, that I had gone home to visit my mom in Maine, and we decided to have a big family get together, so everyone was up for the day. My brother, who lives just up the road, came and brought all these toys for the kids. He brought a tent for the kids, and at the end of the day, the kids are tired. They've done chalk in the driveway, and we've had our cookout, and she was given a s'mores, and she was just so happy to sit in her stroller, laugh, giggle, and eat that s'more. And this is little Izzy. All right, so I have these letters. They came in the actual scrapbook kit. I think I want to put them on the bottom. Okay, and I have started a Color With Me series on YouTube. So anytime I have a stamped image that I color, I will color it in a video separate from the scrapbooking video, and it'll be an entire different series on its own. You'll see the end result. If you enjoy watching someone color, then you can go pick up the series, which I will have a playlist listed below. I kind of like the idea of our dragon sitting on top of the star. So we're going to do it. We're going to do it. All right, let me set this aside. Let me get these down. I don't know how people, well, I'm going to say this is not the easiest thing. Oh, you know what? I didn't place them very well, did I? Let's see. We're going to go right there. This glue is fabulous. Barely Art Precision Craft Glue. What I like about it is you have a little needle that fits in the top so that the glue does not dry out. And this works real good. Sorry, I keep clearing my throat like that. It's probably annoying. All right, here we go. Okay, it's kind of nicer at the very bottom of the page. Okay, these aren't that hard at all to do. One of the things I like about the scrapbook kits is the fact that it does come with all this different ephemera and cutouts. Really just punch them out. This is called pointillism. You literally color a picture by using dots. Is that not so pretty? And I used coral and, oh, I have those written down somewhere. I'll get those for you in just a second and be able to tell you exactly what colors I use. So our dragon's sitting right there. And then the colors I used for the dragon were gold yellow, coral, and brown gray. The brown gray is the shading down at the bottom, the shadow. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful to you. Now, for the rest of this cute little guy, I wanted to have him sniffing a flower. So, and see, this is where this precision glue is very helpful. I'm not too worried about this. Is going to be in a sheet protector. It's not going to go anywhere once it dries. I do want to lift his paw, his foot. What does one call it anyways? Just like that. Okay. And I want to bring in this color. So I'm going to put this at the bottom there. Oh, let's see. I don't have my tweezers. Tweezers would work better, wouldn't they? Goodness, I always try to be so ready and I'm not ready. Oh, right there. That's where it's going. It is stuck down. Okay, now I have a journaling card. I already have that ready, and this is something I want to put down before I do anything else, so that everything else is going to come together. So we're going to put this right there. Sweet little Izzy. Sweet little Izzy. How does that look? I mean, I really don't need to see her sippy cup. Okay. All right. I am doing it. Okay. I better put this down to make sure. How was I doing that now? You're probably going, it was turned the other way. Definitely not like that. It's got to go like that, and it's going underneath this. And I wanted this one like this. Oh my gosh, seriously? Oh, like this. Okay, there we go. I wanted it to look very whimsical because it's a fun scrapbook page. Right here. Okay, I'm putting it right there. I'm committing myself. Now, so she's looking at the camera. She's looking away. She's looking at me. So there's really no direction whatsoever with all this. So anyone who's looking at it real close is going, Laura, where's the, she should be looking at you photo. Oh, well, that will just, oh, I like that right there. Okay, there we go. And then this is going to bring in that green. I'll put it down. I could, you know what? I think I am going to put it on top. That looks better, doesn't it? All right, let's see. I want another flower. Oh, I should have put this one right there. I bet I can't get it up. Let's see. Ah! Oh, this is one of those things, huh? No, that is so not going to work. I am going to have to work, because that would go right there. That could go there. See, this is why I only put, no, I can't do it. You guys are going, let it go, Laura. Let it go. Oh my gosh. Hold that down. I picked up the wrong flower, but that is okay. There's so many things in life that are bigger than all this. All right, well, how can I do this then? Because I wanted this over here. You know what I could do is cut one of these leaves off, which I am going to do. As much as I try to be prepared, this is called winging it. All right, because I know I want, gosh, this precision glue is awesome, but it's still not as easy as you think getting it on those tiny little areas. Okay, here we go. Put that right up there. Right there. That will dry. And, nope. Oh, well, hello. That will look good. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. And next time I'm going to make sure I have my, oh, well, actually that looks real good, doesn't it? It all came together. Now on here, I wanted to bring some yellow up there maybe, and then add, oh, here's some of the green. I could put this right there. So I think what I want to do is to do some faux stitching right here on the side, and this end is going to be colored. And faux stitching, it's not supposed to look straight, so I can relax about that. Here we go. Okay, let's, and that was a Sharpie, so I'm not going to have to worry about the ink. Okay, let's put this right. Should I have it on the outside? Nope. And should it, yeah, I like it when it comes out a little bit on there. So let's see. So much fun. Yep, I like that there. I'm not sure what else I'm going to add. Okay. I can't believe I was able to fix that. Okay, right there. And what can I put? So fun, let's make believe, because I do need a little bit of black. I don't like those. All right, well, we're going with this up here. Sometimes it's hard just to know when to stop. You know, you can look at it so much. I could put an arrow. I need some. Nope. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could talk to me. Oh, I like that yellow there. Okay, so we're doing the yellow, and we're going to add a dimensional. Okay, how's that? I think this is almost done. If I can just think of something black. I don't want it to match. Okay, how about this? No, the black just doesn't look good with it. Well, it doesn't look bad off to the side like that, does it? It looks... All right, y'all, to save you from myself, I am going to cut out some of this video. Honestly, all these little black pieces here were driving me crazy. And then I had put on that yellow star, and then I tried to outline it with a dimensional underneath. So it was all cattywonka. It looked awful. So for my sanity and yours, I literally stopped the video, took a deep breath, reevaluated, got a bigger star, put it on there. I am going to call it quits right now before I drive myself crazy. I think overall I'm pretty happy with it. I like the balance of the mauve and the yellow. I like my little colored dragon. So what do you think? I want to thank little Izzy for the joy she brings to our family with her precious little smile and her laughter. I want to thank Close to My Heart for this beautiful kit storybook collection. But most of all, I just want to thank all of you. You get to see a story come to life with me putting together paper and ink and coloring, and you get to see me, the quirky side, the I don't know what I'm doing side, but you're sticking with me, and I appreciate that. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, you want to see me learn and grow, we can take this journey together. I have a lot of other fun videos I want to share with you, so be sure to give it a thumbs up so you let YouTube and me know that you enjoyed it, and in the comments below, share with me if you like to color and you'd like to see coloring videos, and also if you have used this kit. Do you like it? Well, that's a wrap, my friends. Until we meet again, have an incredible day, be blessed, and just know that I appreciate you. Bye-bye.